Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Sami Tech. Today my topic is microscope and emergency of call theory. James Engines is the believed to be the first involvement is event the compound microscope in the 15.98 is simple a tube with lenses of each and its magnifications range of 3 multiply to 9 multiply point. Roberts Hooke had importance his versions of the compound microscope to observe and microscope are intermediates of divisions of products, magnify versions or photo knowledge image of object too small to be seen, which next into the compound there are more matter and electrons. Importance in microscope magnify of result magnify their integral minute of an image is called magnify. Magnify is a number of lens in the correct number microscope to the in products that are well in very high vibrations magnify views of products that will be into the 2 points on space that can be still be discovered as two space object to help to microscopes of into the object. Secure of the call members of the find most side of signal of GL's missions of into the magnify microscope and call theory members in the 19 the members discovers that problems of into the likes and microscope compositions and to the product language use of protons together by and filter freely in the mixture the model descriptions the secure of the call members as a fold into the secure of the which and operations all in programs of compositions components following into the between all the exchange between the call and its event have to pass through the call members. The call members oxygen carbon sensitivity into the non-hydrogens. Examples sodium small molecules are grosses of small and onion and problems many important fortuner which the call and switch and discover translate natural to call into the magnify of movement across the members of the seasons call and movement of substance. Exercise the call members in energy in allow called into the call oxygen and naturals of exercise the products of control and continues of fractional substance in the call and example oxygens water hormones ions etc. This movement occurs by diffusion and osmosis collected in the diffusions and activity transport and ions hormones on in etc. Thanks for watching.